All right, everybody, go ahead and pick up where you left off yesterday and work on this warm-up. All right, so I got these two right here. I'm going to make myself a box, x plus 4, negative 7x plus 3. And I'm just going to multiply the outsides with each other. Negative 7x times x is negative 7x squared. 3 times x is 3x. Negative 7x times 4 is negative 28x. 3 times 4 is positive 12. Let's go ahead and write this out. I got negative 7x squared. Combine your x's. Negative 28x plus 3 gives me negative 25x. And lastly, I got plus 12. And there's my final answer. On this other one here, we got this squared, which means you're taking what's inside the parentheses and multiplying it by itself. 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 1 times 2x is 2x. Get the same thing down here. Lastly, 1 times 1 is 1. 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 is your final answer. All right, so sometimes you're going to be asked to get the area of some shapes. If you ever need to get the area, remember, area equals length times width. We have actually seen this multiple times already this year. We're just now applying it to these polynomials. So what do we need to do in this left case? Well, multiply the two polynomials. 2x plus 1 times x plus 5. Make your box. 2x plus 1 times x plus 5. X times 2x is 2x squared. 5 times 2x is 10x. X times 1 is 1x. And 5 times 1 is 5. So my answer is, for my area, 2x squared plus 10x plus 1x is 11x. And lastly, plus 5. On this one here on the right-hand side, I got 5k minus 1. Notice these lines are telling us that all sides are equal. So 5k minus 1 times my length and width is 5k minus 1. We're just basically doing 5k minus 1 squared. Make yourself a box. 5k minus 1, 5k minus 1. 5k times 5k is 25k squared. I get negative 5k here, negative 5k here, and plus 1. So I get 25k squared minus 10k plus 1 as my answer. All right, last thing as part of this note is if b 2x plus 3 is equivalent to 6x squared plus 9x, what does b equal? So we're trying to figure out what multiplies with 2x plus 3 that gives you 6x squared plus 9. So if it helps, write it out like this so that way you can see it a little bit better. And then just basically think about it like this. You know, b times this equals this first piece. What b times 2 gives you 6? Well, that would be 3. b times x, what gives you x squared? That would be x. 3 times 2 is 6. X times x is x squared. Let's make sure it works for the second part. Is 3x times 3 equal to 9x? Yes, that is true. So that makes 3x your answer. All right, go work on the polynomials practice in your module for today. If you have any questions, let me know.